The Supreme Court on Thursday took the suo motu cognizance of the several High Court hearings underway regarding COVID-19 preparedness across the country and issued a notice to the Centre on the supply of COVID care essentials such as oxygen and medicines. The Supreme Court has also asked the Centre to submit the National Plan on COVID Preparedness, including the details of the nationwide vaccination drive plan. All above 18 years now eligible for vaccination from May 1st can register for their shot from Saturday, April 24th on the CoWIN platform. Registrations for the latest round of inoculations will open in the next 48 hours on the CoWIN platform. The centre will continue to vaccinate those declared eligible so far, frontline workers, health workers and those above 45. Apart from Serum Institute of India's Covishield and Bharat Biotech's Covaxin, Russia's Sputnik will soon be used, the government has said. India today reported the world's biggest ever daily surge with 3.1 lakh cases and 2,104 deaths since yesterday. This is the fastest rise in cases and deaths any country has suffered till now. The fresh surge surpasses the previous highest one-day rise in the world of 2,97,430 cases posted by the United States in January, news agency Reuters said. Over 2 lakh infections are being recorded every day in India since April the 15th. West Bengal recorded a voter turnout of 17.19% till 9:30 a.m. on Thursday, with polling across the state going smoothly without any untoward incident being reported. The sixth phase of polls kicked off in West Bengal at 7 a.m. on Thursday. Polling is being conducted at 14,480 polling stations in 43 assembly constituencies across parts of North's 24 Parganas, Nadia, Uttar Dinajpur and Purba Bardhaman. Britain's Heathrow Airport has refused to allow extra flights from India before the country is added on Friday to Britain's red list of locations from which most travel is banned due to a high number of COVID-19 cases, the airport said on Wednesday. The move by Britain comes after it detected more than 100 cases of coronavirus variant first identified in India, Health Minister Matt Hancock said on Monday.